I think that Texas Studios offers more than real-world hands-on experience. I mean, being able to be here, coming from no experience in these control rooms where it's all of these bright lights and big screens, and having a supportive group of people teaching you what you love. Like, I love sports and I never knew that this was even a pathway. My technical title is student assistant for big screens and broadcast, but I've grown to become a replay operator, which I've always watched sports growing up, and whenever I was watching, I'd be like, man, I really want to see that play again. And they would show it. I never really understood. I was like, oh, you know what? You go back, you rewind it, whatever. There's a lot more to that. And my first shift, I tried it from nowhere, had really no training, and immediately loved it. So since then, I think it's been a year and 4 months. And now I'm teaching people how to do replay, which is something crazy. If you told me that a year ago, I'd tell you that you were wrong. Our schedules are packed, but I keep on doing replay. And now I think about the little kid who used to watch the replays, and I try to show them what I wanted to see. I feel that the work that I do every single day is preparing me for a career that I didn't know really existed. Growing up, I've always wanted to be a sideline reporter, and I still do. But I found a new love in production, and honestly, a new appreciation for everything that goes on behind the camera, which I think is so important, because all you see on TV is the people talking, the game happening, and you never think about the people that are actually making it happen. I tell all my friends this, they have no idea what's going on, and it's really cool to introduce them to something that they know is happening, but they don't understand what is happening. So I think that this is really preparing me. I always tell this story. I'm actually going to school to get my master's in sport management now, but in 2017, when Hurricane Harvey hit, I was sitting in the living room with my dad, and all the lights were out. We had no power, we had a radio, and we had enough power in our generator to power on the TV. And it was game 7, I believe. We watched Kyle Tucker catch the last out against the Dodgers, and him and I were screaming, crying. I didn't even understand the feeling of what this was, but I just knew that I felt connected, and it felt that it had brought our community together. It was almost like a win for Houston because of all of the devastation that we had just gone through. And that entire, month long of parades and celebrations really solidified why I loved sports. And then in high school, I was like, I just need to find a job here. I need to find something. I need to tell stories. I need to connect the community to the sport. And I'm really happy that it's finally happening. And there's not a lot of sports classes, but now we are finally getting that ball rolling. So once I had found this job, I knew that this was a stepping stone towards what I ultimately want to do, and is just to connect communities to their sports through broadcast.